All right, we are going to do a very quick assembly of the HandRaiser light that we made for Michelle Brose, and we're going to publish on Adafruit. This is the Adafruit version of the shield of the cover. We also have a AT Makers version. But real quick assembly, we're going to take the trinket, we're going to place it on top of the back plate and just snap it in. Then we're going to take the hanger piece here, and it is going to snap on as well, like that. And finally, we're going to take the cover, the clear translucent cover, and it is going to snap on just like that. Very simple. This will now hang on the back of a tablet or a laptop, and all you've got to do is plug in the micro USB cord, and you'll see that will light up. And if I tell it to turn red, it will do so. Let me make that darker so you can see. It is a lovely shade of red. So that works great, and assembly couldn't be much easier. I'll tell you what, I will actually take it apart as well. So I'll pop off the cover. There is actually a hole here if you need to get to the reset button, but it's also very easy to just pop off the cover, pop off the back. And it is a little bit tougher to get this off. You've got to use fingernails, but it will pop right out as well. And you're back to where we started.